大家好 ，Ray PETERSON 嘅Tell Laura I Love Her， 我盡下會變講羅拉知愛愛姖，聽下。羅拉佮多米兩愛情，佢麼個都想買分姖，香水禮物最重要嘅還係結婚戒指。佢路唇看著賽車個招聘，太太下等1000口個獎金，佢電話肚接毋著羅拉，佢來毋掣就樣講姖姆知，講羅拉知愛愛姖，講佢的愛按時就見。今晡夜涯會較暗轉，涯有事情，愛處理先。佢捉車到其賽車坪，來賽個人卻佢最後生，等車一行人人大聲khiat。路頭一轉彎速度開緊遽，無人知麼個會發生。佢衝著火，駕車衝著火頂下頂，等佢兜救佢從車禍出來時，最後一句佢樣講人家知。講羅拉知愛愛姖，講佢的愛按時就見，今晡夜毋好噭，涯心分姖永遠無變。在聖堂今下羅拉跪念經分多米在天堂嗯，全分羅拉佢一生一死，自家聖堂裏姖聽著多米，講羅拉知愛愛姖，講佢的愛按時就見。今晡夜毋好噭，涯心分姖永遠無變。Laura and Tommy were lovers. He wanted to give her everything, flowers, presents, and most of all, a wedding ring. He saw a sign at a stock car race, $1,000 prize it read. He couldn't get Laura on the phone, so to her mother, Tommy said, "Tell Laura I love her, tell Laura I need her, tell Laura I may be late, I've something to do that cannot wait." He drove his car to the racing ground. He was the youngest driver in there. The crowd roared as they started the race. Round the track they drove at a deadly pace. No one knows what happened that day, how his car overturned in flame. But as they pulled him from the twisted wreck, with his dying breath, they heard him say, "Tell Laura I love her, tell Laura I need her, tell Laura not to cry, my love for her will never die." Now in the chapel Laura prayed for her poor Tommy who passed away. It was just for Laura, he lived and died. Alone in the chapel, she can hear him cry. Tell Laura I love her. Tell Laura I need her. Tell Laura not to cry. My love for her will never die. Con Lola đi ngài ơi kia, con kia đi ngài ăn xí chào kia. Kinh pu cha mô kiao ngà sim pun kia, yun yan mô biến. Hẹn nhau xem, cảm ơn như thằng.